wishing a happy Women's Day for all the special women in your life. Today, let's give them a beautiful greeting card. For this, I'm going to make a woman's face cut out now. Now we will cut the two pieces of the same template. Please make sure the upper part of the hairstyle bun where the little bit extra out is available so that you can stick the other part with it. Make sure you placed it correctly well. Now you glue at the corner and place the additional part over it. For decorating the card, we are going to make a twisted rose. Just make a flap in the corner. Then start rolling it little. A twist and again roll it. Another twist. The whole flower will be a twist and a turn. Make sure it doesn't crumble in between. It requires a lot of patience and practice. Once you start practicing, you will get it a nice, beautiful rose. Now secure the bottom with glue. Now we'll arrange the flowers one by one. golden or silver color outline to the car. Any wishes or any Women's Day quote into it. I here dedicate this card to my mom, so I have written the words which is suitable to that. If you like this card, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.